Now you understand what he's doing here. This sounds very, very depressing. A person should see himself as if he's ready to die. Isn't that nice? V'shema yomos b'shaita. Maybe he's going to die in the hour, right? The nimsa omid b'chetav. And he's standing with his chet. Now, notice he uses the word chet. He doesn't use, I told you this many times, what I always say about chet. Chet is an arrow, right? And you're trying to hit bullseye. Again, he's going to go to Yizkali Arba. You have an agenda. And when you have an agenda, you're not here forever because of the lack of responsibility of Adam Arishon. So if that's the case, then you want to hit target. And no one can predict a Yaakov Price would be killed and not here today. And how many electrocuted and things that we know of in this year, past year, that was totally unexpected, literally. So it's not saying start getting scared, you're gonna die, doesn't mean that. He just says, think of your agenda that you have. Why take a chance? Do you hear what he's trying to say? Not that you got to be depressed, I'm going to die, who knows what's going to happen to me, right? What is he trying to say? Be happy, on the contrary. Be happy, get responsibility, because you want that agenda. And your time is not in your hands. And you want that agenda. So that itself is a responsibility. To make sure that the time you have is going to be there. And you're going to get there. That's what he means. Somebody can learn this and go right out the window. You can't just pick up a Rambam. And a Musar in general. Musar is very dangerous to learn on your own. You can really go out the window. Okay? So it's a happy thing he's telling you. Right? He says, and don't depend on your old age. I'll do it later on. Right? Don't do that again. The same thing. Who Shlomo Amar b'chachmaso, he means that Shlomo Melech, that's called wisdom. And Shlomo Melech was the biggest London analytical conceptual mind. The whole eish year begotten levin. All the time, let your garments be white, not because you want to look from, but because you have an agenda. You have to be responsible for something that is beyond your imagination of what pleasure and what excitement and greatness is. And unfortunately, when Hashem takes us away and you think that you're a different person, you're not. You're going to see everything the same way you are now, and everybody else is going to see you straight away what you are. It'll be not in the sense of embarrassment, but it's going to be, it's not because you're going to be embarrassed, but you're going to say, look what I could have had. That's the shot. It's not because you'll be embarrassed, which you will be. I mean, but that's not the key thing. The key thing is look what you could have done. Always say, Hashem, you're smart. Be careful. Why not? Why? You can do it. Rishus, the first word is, it's in your hands. Why ignore it? Okay. Gimel.